back, guys. We're just leaving the petrol station and joining back the road down. In front of you, you can see already the landslide. Wow, that was quite a big landslide, and they've closed off half the lane on the other side. And we are now heading down the hill. And also on the right again, you see some yellow brown earth. That's also landslide, but they have done some very quick clearing. So mostly the problem here is about landslides. And already you can see the contra-flow from the bottom of the hill coming up. On the right, you can see again a brown patch where there's a Sumitomo working, a minor landslip. And again on the right, you can see about 100 meters away, there's another landslip. You can see the brown. Wow, quite bad. So it's contra-flow. Another slip here again, you can't see it, but it's there. Okay, lots of unstable earth. Again, another Sumitomo, you can see there working. And on the right behind the Sumitomo, you can see the bamboo that has collapsed, fallen down. They have cleared the road, but well, they're still running contra-flow, I think, because they need to get the ground stabilized. Yes, still a lot of dirt. This is where the Subaru spun. Lots and lots of minor landslips. Okay, it's going to be a while, maybe about a month or two, before we can do any more Genting hill climbs. Because definitely you don't want to be climbing the hill in this contra-flow traffic going at 30 kilometers per hour. Okay, more landslip on the right here. Oh, there's some development going on in there. Wow, up there, all brown. Tropicana Grand Hill. That's a housing project that's coming up. Barbed wire. What happened? Okay, so it rained on this side of the mountain. You can see it's wet. I think it's raining in KL now, possibly. Okay, so it's contra-flow on the downhill section, which we are going now uphill. So I wonder why they do a contra-flow here. Oh yes, you can see some brown in the front. It's been cleared up. Yeah, that's the brown. Still a lot of earth on the road. Yeah, the ground doesn't look, the slope doesn't look very stable. So actually the damage is not so bad, except that they are perhaps afraid of the slope collapsing more in the expected rain that is coming. So that's why they do the contra-flow here. It's for safety. Good, well done. Safety is number one all the time. This stretch looks okay. So in places where there is more rocky ground, the land is tends to be more stable. But in places where there's earth, then there's a problem. So the vegetation does help to hold the earth together. But sometimes with heavy rain, then it gets waterlogged, and that's when it starts to collapse. I see a bit of yellow in front. Okay, here you can see some places where there's earth. Oh, that's a bad collapse, man. But they've cleared it up very quickly. Kudos to them. And look, they've even cleaned up the slope. This is very, very quick work by Genting Road. Well done. And in front again you see some more, but that was off the road, but still the earth came down and covered this part. In front there you can see. And here in front of us, small little landslide. Road looks intact so far. Good. More brown in the front. On the right you can see. Yeah, here was where it blocked the road. Yes, wow, that was, the slope looks very nice and clean. Here's more. Oh, there's a huge rock up there, and one big rock dropped down here, you can see. Okay, so this part is quite bad. They must have been, they're still repairing the slope. Look at them, they're cleaning up by hand. Fantastic. The guy up there looks like he might drop down any moment. And this is another slope that's been cleaned by the tractor. Looks like a tree fell down. Okay, that's the start of the contra-flow. Oh my gosh, look at the number of cars coming up. So you actually have 3 lanes of cars coming up, and they're all jam-packed. Whoa! And we are jam going down. Fantastic. Okay, we are about 1 kilometer from the guard post, 1.5 kilometers. But there seems to be a jam, and I cannot understand why. Because you're just going to get off the mountain. Can you imagine what's going on in the minds of those people in the cars? Maybe they're thinking, maybe I shouldn't have come up. Maybe I should have stayed at home. Then those with families are thinking, yeah, but the kids will be so disappointed. Oh, and it's starting to rain. Oh my gosh. I hope they have a good indoor park. for the kids to play. And they are wondering, I wonder how long this jam is going to be. It's going to be a long time, bro. Because 3 lanes trying to squeeze into one doesn't sound very good. And I wonder why there was this jam. Why did we have to stop when we were going down? See? There are cars that are broken down up there on the way up. Okay, so let this go down in record, let this go down on record as the slowest drive I've ever taken down Genting Highlands. See these guys happily going out. Wow, the way is clear. Contra-flow, contra-flow. Then they go another 200 meters and oh no, we're stuck again. Okay, here's the last of the landslides, I think. I must say, Genting actually has done a very good job. So quickly they have managed to clear off most of the slides. Yeah. Now all they need to do is stabilize the slope and we're back in business. Actually, they're already back in business. there's a bit of time delay for those going up there, but once they get there, oh, you just spend more time here lah. And so Genting shares will continue going up. Good. A lot of minor slips here and there. This one looks like an old slip which has been cleaned up. Just now I saw some of them sowing what looks like seeds onto the slope to grow the grass quickly. You know, these plants, that the ferns and stuff. And here's our friend there, little monkey, up here on the left. See the little monkey? He's wondering, hey, what the hell is going on, man? Why is everybody going so slow? Huh? He looked a bit angry when I passed. He looked like he was looking for a stone to throw at me. He's like, this is my turf, guys. What are you doing here? Huh? Okay, they have closed that lane. So, contra-flow. Okay. Oh, because they're doing some work. They're laying something up there. Some kind of like hemp to make the vegetation grow quickly. Okay, so guys, here we are at the bottom of the hill, and that is our report for the Genting Hill climb. So the conclusion is, I don't think there'll be any more Genting Hill climbs for a while until the road gets cleared. Yeah, so we have to wait until the rainy season is over, because the rain can cause more landslips, and that means more closures. So we just have to be patient, and in the meantime we'll find some other place to do our test drives. So guys, thanks very much for being with us for this video. One of the most boring videos, but I suppose it's good. Yeah, so till we meet again. One camera just went off. Yeah, so till we meet again, bye bye guys.